Good day everyone, my name is Hanis Putri Binti Hardin and this is my reflection on SVR multiplayer tutorial. To create the multiplayer, we need to import three things, which are the simple VR package, Photon package, and also the SVR multiplayer package to the Unity. The SVR multiplayer package I get from my lecturer, while the Photon and simple VR package can get from the asset store. Photon Unity Networking or PUN is a Unity package for multiplayer games. Flexible matchmaking gets your players into rooms where objects can be synced over the network. PUN exports to basically all platforms supported by Unity and has two options, which is the PUN Free and the PUN Plus. So in this tutorial, I use the PUN Free. We need to create account on the Photon website to obtain the PUN ID, and we set up the SDK setup by pasting the PUN ID to the Photon server setting. The multiplayer package SVR imported has two scenes, which is the lobby and the game scenes. To create our own scene, we need to go to the sample scene and add the simple object. Then we select the object and choose create our own. Then the object will become the network object handler, and from that we set the network object and the transform. To build the scene, we need to go to the build setting and add the open scene. I have tried build the application in Android version and also Windows version, but it not get the same result as the video tutorial shown. So the video shown is the supposed output that get when we build the application, and what I gain from this tutorial is this package is useful to create the multiplayer game and easy for developer to use this, as a developer only need to import the package and set up a little to use this. And that's all from me. Thank you.